Hi, this is Ben, and I'm getting out my brand new soil cultivator. And here's where we're going to do our first test in this garden that we have not even started to weed yet. So one thing you can do it upside down and just use the spikes, or you can do it like this and also use the weeder. So let's start with the weeder, see how it goes. Wow, that's amazing, actually. It is chopping things right up, and I don't even feel it cutting, it's just doing it. Now, of course, it's not getting down and pulling out the taproot or anything like that, but it is chopping up the top layer for sure. Now, granted, this is more loose dirt because this is a garden, so it's not real compressed down. So if we can get in there now with a rake and rake up all that debris, I think that'll be quick and easy work. This will be the real test. This is just the edge of our property. This has not been cultivated in any way, so this is just hardened ground with some weeds on top, and let's see how it works. So this would be great if you need to level out a patch of ground, to prepare it for planting grass seed or prepare it for pavers or a walkway or anything like that. I mean, that just took no effort at all to get that nice and smooth. Here's looking down more at ground level. You can see that it just made a nice smooth plot of land there. So I'm going to turn this over now, upside down, and just use the cultivator spikes. That breaks up the ground pretty well. The ground's a little bit damp, so you can see it's clodding up just a little bit, but that honestly works extremely well. I'm going to try just one more little bit of land here. That blade just does a great job. If you needed to remove the top layer, scalps it right off the top of the earth. I might experiment with adding one more level to the handle, make it a little bit longer, because I am hunched over just a little bit here. So that'd be great just to plant some grass seed right there. It'd be good to go. Yeah, it does get a little bit dirty. It looks like you can just take this blade right off, clean it up. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.